These are Kheema Onde, juicy minced lamb balls simmered in a rich South Indian curry. This is my Amma's recipes. Back home, she makes it with minced mutton, but today I am using lamb. Here is everything going in: fresh cilantro, dill, mint, ginger, garlic, onion, and of course, minced lamb. It's rich, comforting, and perfect with rice, dosa, or chapati. Now let's make the masala paste. Heat a pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it is hot, add roughly chopped onion. I used about 3/4 of one large onion. If your onions are small, you can use 2 small onions instead. Add a little salt to help the onions cook faster and pinch of turmeric. Cook until the onions turns translucent. Add 5 garlic cloves and 1 inch of ginger, roughly chopped. We are grinding everything later, so there is no need to chop them finely. Add 2 slit green chilies and cook for a few minutes until the raw smell goes away. Now add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and keep stirring. Next add the dry spices: 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Splash in a little water so the spices don't burn, and stir until everything becomes fragrant. Now add roughly chopped tomatoes. I used about 1.5 large tomatoes. Cook until they are softened nicely. Lastly, add half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Mix everything together and turn off the heat. Let the masala mixture cool completely. Once it cools down, carefully transfer it into the mixer jar. Add a little water and grind it into a smooth paste. We will use 1/4 of this paste for the lamb balls and the rest will go into the curry. Now let's make the Kheema Onde. That's what Amma calls this back home in Karnataka. Have taken 1 pound of minced lamb. Add 1 egg for binding and the remaining 1/4 onion finely chopped. Now add the fresh herbs. This is what makes this lamb ball so special. 1 cup of chopped cilantro, half a cup of fresh dill, and half a cup of mint. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Then add 1/4 portion of the masala paste. Sprinkle some salt and mix everything well. I'm using my hands here. Please don't judge me. Gloves makes it hard to mix properly. Hands works best to combine everything evenly. Once it's mixed, shape the mixture into small balls. If it feels sticky, dip your fingers in water or rub a little oil on your hands. This helps them come together without sticking. Shape all the lamb balls and keep them aside. Now the last step, we will prepare curry. In a saucepan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Then add the remaining masala paste. Lower the flame here because it can splatter. Pour 2 cups of water into the mixer jar. Rinse out all the leftover masala and add it to the pan. Keep the curry a little thin because the unde will absorb some of the gravy as they cook. Add salt as needed and bring the curry to a boil. Once it starts boiling, gently drop in the lamb balls one by one. Don't stir right away because they can break apart. Give them time to firm up first. Cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes on a medium flame. I'm cooking outside in my garden today and I really wish you could smell this. The aroma of the fresh herbs and spices is just beautiful. I tasted the curry at this point and it was perfect for me. You can adjust the salt here according to your taste. Finish with freshly chopped cilantro and turn off the heat. Let's serve this up. Look at this gravy, so rich and flavorful. All those fresh herbs, dill, mint, cilantro and curry leaves make this curry so delicious. At home, Amma serves this with poori and it tastes amazing. I didn't have time to make poori today, so I'm having it with rice. But rice, dosa, idli, chapati, poori, anything works beautifully with this curry. I'm sitting outside in the garden today. The weather is beautiful and this curry is just perfect. Wow, the lamb balls are soft and juicy and the curry is rich, fresh and full of flavor. You have to try this one. Make it and let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.